Hello everybody, welcome to Seismic Sales. Trying to open up these packages, do some mystery unboxing for you guys. We had 2 FedEx packages yesterday. Grog picked one, and then while we were opening that package, another FedEx package came the same day. Did you guys figure out who this dude is? All right, Grogs, pick the next package, please. Yes, Grogs, picked. All right, see you guys soon. Hello everybody, welcome to Seismic Sales and welcome to episode 22. But before we start, it is Sunday morning. Grogs and I just took our pre-workout. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of what Grogu picked. I don't know where this is from, but it is from New York. I don't know if it's an this is an eBay package. If you guys like my unboxing, please hit the the subscribe button below. Help Grogs and I out. I'm gonna fast forward this. Hope you guys don't mind. Okay, here we are. I'm pretty sure this was an eBay package from New York. Let me check it for paperwork. Oh, nice. There goes the photo mailers. I know what it is. Are you guys ready? Nice. Hold on. Get rid of paperwork. Bumblebee. I got this from eBay. I'm pretty sure I got this from eBay. Bumblebee coin. Megatron's getting feisty. Optimus Prime. Oh, now Megatron is getting all nervous now. Found these on eBay. There's the specs. Zoom in. 999 fine silver, 1 ounce, country of Niue, 2022. Mintage is 3000. Ready? Optimus Prime. 1984. Scribed into the coin. Colorful. There's Optimus. Let's zoom in a little bit. There's Optimus, the original, the one we like. There's the Autobot symbol. I like the round borders. Nice. 2022 Hasbro. 1 ounce, 999 fine silver. Okay, we're gonna try to do what they do on the Niue website. So she pushes down. So I figured it out. Zoom out. Oops. Okay, so to get the coin out of this thing, the video, the New Zealand website, they push down. I thought she's pushing down on the felt, but she's pushing down on the coin. When you push the coin, pops up. There you go. I hope this helps somebody in the future. Here you go. It does wiggle it a little bit. Here we go. Let me turn off the light behind me. Nice. I really like the white borders. It is the original Optimus when he was badass. Seems every movie they make, Optimus Prime gets his ass kicked, and then he comes back strong. I got tired watching the new Transformer movies. 2022. Queen Elizabeth, $2 hers. There's the edges. All right, I hope you like this coin. I do. It's gonna go right next to Megatron. On top of Megatron, as he should be. Bumblebee next. Very famous character. Too bad they took away his voice, because it's just freaking stupid AF. But okay, here's Bumblebee. Why is his head why is his head like that? Anybody know why? Bumblebee, 1 ounce silver. Let's see, same thing. Zoom in. Metal, 1 ounce weight, 999 fine, 3000 mintage. Some of these have a magnetic thing. like that. Optimus Prime had it. Not so much Megatron. Let's see. Oh, Megatron has it too. Okay. Maybe it was the Marvel. Maybe it was not much for Spider-Man. And it feels a lot lighter than the Transformers. The box is more, they're cutting back on box material. Back to Bumblebee. There we go, Bumblebee. I'm going to press just the coin. Pops it up, there you go. Okay, again with the white border. 1984 inscribed. Look at that colorful. That's the Bumblebee I like. That's the Bumblebee we know if you're over 51 or 45. I like the white borders. There goes the Autobot symbol. Go to the edges. We need to test these out next before we go. Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth, Niue, 2 doll hairs. And that's the Bumblebee. Grab my Sigma. How many fine again? 999 fine. Okay. I still didn't read the instructions. Okay, run calc. There's a 999 fine. Let's zoom in. There you go. 999 fine. Put this down on it. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm on gold. How did I get to gold? Oh, maybe I should read the instructions. There you go.
A few moments later.
Oop, that's 4. There, 999 fine. 999 silver. Run calc. Okay, place sample. There you go. It's in the bracket. If it's in between the bracket, it's okay to stack it. Say it again. If it's in between the brackets, it's okay to stack it. One more time. Let's do the Optimus Prime. Come on, Optimus Prime. In between the bracket, okay to stack it. Okay, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to help Grogs and I out. We really could use the subs. We're almost at 300. I think it's like 290, 291 or something like that. Thanks for all the help, you guys. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Laters.